Tenba's Roadie V2 spinners are the best camera cases to get your gear from the train to the plane to location. And they are the first rolling hard cases that you can attach optional backpack straps to whenever you need them. First off, the Tenba design team created our own silky smooth wide track wheels. Our cloud drive tech comprises a carbon steel bearing with elastic shock absorbing materials, which are fancy words for the smoothest wheels you'll ever find on a camera bag. And if you somehow manage to break or damage them, these wheels are user replaceable. The wheels kick out right under the laptop sleeve for the most stable rolling camera case, period. Even with another bag on top, around the city, through an airport, it will roll steady without tipping. Building custom wheels is something only the most bespoke luggage brands spend the time and money to do, and virtually unheard of in other camera bags. The Roadie 21 International meets the strictest international carry-on regulations. And the 22 meets US domestic carry-on regulations and international carry-on aboard many worldwide carriers. It's also a great choice if you've got more gear and don't need to fly with your case. These bags are seriously tough, with a rigid honeycomb internal shell. When we press on a Tenba Roadie compared to an industry-leading rolling case, you can see the difference. The Tenba won't flex. That built-in rigidity is protecting thousands of dollars worth of your valuable camera gear. Other rolling cases simply aren't doing it. And like all our Roadies, it has a ton of other features we think traveling content creators won't want to live without. Woven in tough YKK zippers to last a lifetime. You can use the built-in zipper lock for the main compartment to keep your gear away from quick hands. A long side pocket for tripods, compact light stands, or an umbrella. A security cable so your Roadie won't find its way into someone else's car. A reversible black-silver rain cover to both block the wet weather and reflect the sun's heat. Comfy leather-trimmed carry handles on the top and side to lift a full kit with ease. A tethered lid to keep a small footprint, and pockets for all your smaller stuff. A hidden AirTag tracker sleeve so you always know where your Roadie is. A custom-designed 3-stage trolley handle that adjusts to your height. It's the most rugged trolley handle we've ever made, but it's also user replaceable because, well, stuff happens. And our add-a-bag strap holds your backpack or messenger bag to the front of the case so you can give your shoulders a break. It even works for Apple boxes. These cases will fit a 16-inch laptop along with documents, cables, and anything else you need quick access to in the front pocket. What about camera gear? These cases will fit 2 to 3 camera bodies and a whole bunch of lenses. It's long enough for a Sony 200-600 or Nikon 180-600mm and is super customizable for all types of video and content creator gear, so your monitors, drones, and mics will fit as well. Extra portions of the floor padding are also removable for some added depth, and this way it will fit lenses up to 7.5 inches or 20 centimeters long. There are 2 optional accessories to make the case even more travel-friendly. Optional modular backpack straps can be attached in less than a minute because you can't just roll a bag across the sandy beach or through the mud. The 4 spinner wheels allow you to keep rolling with the straps exposed. Even when tilting the Roadie back on 2 wheels, we built in strap keepers to keep them from dragging, and they fold up tight to store neatly inside the case. And an optional travel kit converts your Roadie with a luggage liner because even photographers take vacations with just clothes and flip-flops. It comes with a dust cover for the camera insert you just took out for safe, clean gear storage. They both pack up nice and tight in a mesh bag. See links below for details on both. Additionally, there's also the Roadie 21 Air Case spinner that is shippable and airport checkable, and the larger 2-wheel Roadie 24 that fits even more gear. The Tenba Roadies are the best camera case for the traveling content creator, hands down.